நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
Of yours, the depth of your heart. And you go away, wherever you want to go, you go away, but finally you have to return. When everybody relieves you that they cannot, they promise that I will cure you, but they cannot. Finally, you are left in the darkness. There, you believe that you come back to yourself. எவ்வளோ தூரம் கடந்து போனீங்களோ இந்த உண்மையான ஒரு தெய்வ ஆலயத்தை விட்டுட்டு கம் பேக் அகெயின், கடந்து உள்ள வர வேண்டியது கடவுள். திஸ் இஸ் தி பாத். கம் பேக் இன் த ப்ராசஸ் தட் யூ ஹேட் கான், கம் பேக் டு தி பொசிஷன். தேர் தி காட்லினஸ் இஸ் தேர். ஸோ எவ்வளோ தூரம் கடந்து போனீங்களோ கடந்து திரும்ப உள்ள வாங்க. திஸ் இஸ் கடவுள். திஸ் இஸ் தி பேசேஜ். திஸ் இஸ் தி வே ஆஃப் காட் தட் வி ஹவ் மேட் இட் அஸ் காட். Now believe, your time is very short. I have touched upon various topics. Finally, I will be touching upon the medicine also before we leave. Blood is circulating throughout your body to meet the required nutrition, where and how much of nutrition is necessary for each and every organ. This organ requires one energy, this organ requires another energy, and my stomach requires another energy, and the energy what it requires is different between one organ to another, one cell to another, one tissue to another. At any point of time, the signals is sent to the heart. From every single cell, the signal, how much of energy is required, how much of pressure is required, how much of nutrition is required, everything is sent to the heart, and with one beat, the message, the signal starts. The heart signal starts. The signal flows and the blood follows. This is the blood circulation. Suppose I am normal. 120/80 is my blood circulation, my blood pressure. And 72 beats per minute is my required heart rate. Suppose I have a disease here in the liver. This portion is weak also. This portion requires more energy or less energy. This energy is required by the ailing organ. The energy required by it is more or less? More. This extra energy that an ailing organ that it requires sent to the heart, now more energy must be given by way of more circulation, because circulation has the energy for it. And with a greater pressure so that it is infused, because it is weak to absorb. So with a greater pressure also it comes. Now the 120/80 must increase in its pressure, or it should be reduced in pressure. So 140/90 is a good sign or a bad sign? 200/120 is a good sign or a bad sign? So follow that. Don't follow the doctors. Total idiocy. Morons. Don't follow them. Follow your sense. You are much better than a doctor. You teach the doctor. They should not open their mouth. They know only the instruments. They do not know what a human being is. முதல்ல நான் தமிழில் கேட்குறேன், உயிர் உடலை பாதுகாக்குதா, உடல் உயிரை பாதுகாக்குதா? Whether life saves the body or the body saves the life. உயிர் உடலை பாதுகாக்குதா, உடல் உயிரை பாதுகாக்குதா? உறுப்புகள் தானம் பண்ணிட்டு உடலை பாதுகா உயிரை பாதுகான்னு சொல்றீங்க. உறுப்பு தானங்கள் பண்ணுனா, ஆர்கன் டொனேஷன் இஃப் யூ டூ, ஐ எம் சேவிங் த லைஃப். ஹவு கான்ட்ரடிக்டரி, கான்ஃப்ளிக்டிங். How contradictory and conflicting. This is because of the allopathy, because of the modern medicine, because of a medicine that has total lack of common sense. Don't believe anything the doctors say. Simple tip for you. Never believe the doctors. Then what to do? Whatever they say, act against it, you will be okay. Mind has the control over the body. God's word is there. Be okay tomorrow, financially, health-wise, mind-wise, family-wise, society-wise. Be happy. Have a good life for you. Never believe in anything but believe me alone. The acknowledgement that I am getting from you is an indication I have not taught you anything, you know everything. I submit and I say bye to you.